Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for joining the channel again. So this is an update to a video I filmed last year after I put some IGO window ceramic coating on the inside of my shower doors. So check this out. Alright, so this is what my shower doors currently look like. They got a little bit of soap scum on them. Not much. This one's pretty clear actually. This one gets most of the soap. My shower head's over here. So most of the splashes and soap and all that stuff hits this one instead of this one. So that would explain why it's got a lot of stuff on it. Even still, it doesn't even look like it's there. You have to catch the light just right to know. There we go. Soap scum. So I'm going to kind of show you how easy it is to clean this. All right, so I'm gonna use a couple things. One is just my washcloth, and two is spray away glass cleaner that you can get from Home Depot, Lowe's, department stores, grocery stores, they have it. So all I'm gonna do is spray it on the window. And do this one too. All right, set this down. And you can see that it's not sticking. It's not really sticking like a normal glass, like the shower would normally. Like it's not really sticking on the glass. So I'm just gonna take my damp washcloth, fold it real quick, and I'm just gonna go up and down. You can see it's beaten up. See that? You can feel it move. You can feel it move the soap scum off the window. All right, I'm gonna do this one. Kind of hard to do this one-handed, but it still works. All right. And you can feel it get smoother as you wipe it. And we'll do this so I can get this little side here. All right, now I'm gonna switch it back and we'll see what it looks like when I spray water on it. There you go. That's what it looks like when you spray water on it. All I did was use some glass cleaner and a rag. Now, ask yourself if your shower doors do that. All right, so I'm using my squeegee here. I'm just gonna squeegee the window. And squeegee. And squeegee again. And squeegee. There's some water on the outside of the window. There we go. Now, you can see how clear this is. You can't even tell it's there. All the soap scum is gone, and all I did was use Windex, or a glass cleaner and a rag. That's it. So, hope you liked the video, and join me again. If you like my content, please think about subscribing and hit that like button and maybe hit the notification bell, and we'll see you again. Thanks. Oh, and one last thing. If you want to check out the other video to see how I installed the IGO window on my glass, it's a pretty involved process. There's a couple steps, so if you'd like that, check it out in my other videos. So, oh, and one last thing. Besides that, I guess a PSSSS. Happy Veterans Day. Thank you, veteran. Have a good one.